Hello everybody! In this video I will be showing you how to open Microsoft Paint on Windows 10 and 11. The first thing you have to do is open your browser. For me it's Google Chrome. You have to write Google Translate. Click this and then paste what I have in the description. You will have this. You have to click this button and then hold left click and select everything and click Ctrl C. The next thing you want to do is click Windows and click R. It will open this window. In this window you have to press Ctrl V. Go to here and remove this space. Press OK. And ta-da! Here you go. It's Paint. It's Microsoft Paint. You have opened Microsoft Paint. Subscribe, like, hit that bell, join become a member now, subscribe to my Patreon, give me all of your money. Thanks for watching. Bye.